Bannacht and Miss Adrian Kane. Greetings, my name's Adrian Kane and I'm the Manx Language Officer for the Manx Heritage Foundation. I just thought I'd take this opportunity to explain a little bit about the Cooish, or the Manx Language Week, which will take place between the 1st and the 8th of October this year. Now, Cooish means a chat or a get-together in Manx Gaelic, and it's still a word you might hear older members of the Manx community use. Anyway, the Manx Language Week, between the 1st and the 8th of October, is an opportunity for all those people, such as myself, involved in the Manx language, to explain the sort of work we do, and also the Gaelic traditions and culture and heritage of the island. It starts on the 1st of October at the Villa Marina Arcade with an information and fun day. That'll be an opportunity for people to come, find out more about the work we do, enrol in classes, and also find out about the work other organisations such as Manx Language and the Bunscoil Gaeltach do. So that's on Saturday the 1st of October at the Villa Marina Arcade. On the Sunday, we'll have the Ned Madril lecture. Now, each year we invite an academic to the Isle of Man to explain the work they do regards minority languages. This year we're very lucky to have Christopher Mosley. Christopher is a teaching fellow in Latvian at UCL, but he's mainly here to explain the work he does with UNESCO, the UNESCO Atlas of Languages in Danger, or Lesser Used Languages. That'll be a great opportunity for us to find out the work UNESCO do, but also I think from UNESCO's point of view, it will hopefully develop their understanding of the revival of interest in Manx Gaelic and the implications that has for other minority languages throughout the world. That's on Sunday the 2nd of October at St John's Mill. Throughout the rest of the week will be a wide range of activities, mainly for those people who speak and learn the language. But on the 7th of October, Friday the 7th of October at Éireann Arts Centre, we'll have some visiting musicians, and they sing a mixture of Norwegian and Scottish music. That's called samling. They're very cutting edge, very exciting sort of music. They'll also be supported by Tom Collister from the Isle of Man. That's on Friday the 7th of October at the Éireann Arts Centre in Port Erin. On the Saturday, there'll be a series of training going on for those people who teach Manx Gaelic to adults. I think we've developed quite successfully over the last few years a new methodology, new structure, new way of teaching Manx to adults. It seems to be working well. It's predominantly, although not exclusively, based on the way that Welsh is taught to adults in Wales. And so there'll be some training going on throughout that day for those people teaching adults. Later that afternoon and early evening, there'll be a lecture in Manx Gaelic, Lecht and Chau. That'll predominantly be interest for those people whose Manx is very good. And the week will come to a conclusion on Saturday, October the 8th, with a session at the Albert and Port St Mary, and that'll be a mixture of Manx music and hopefully loads of Manx and also some Jach, which you may or may not know what that means, some Jach. So the 1st to the 8th of October, the Manx Language Week, the Cooish. It's supported by a wide range of local businesses such as Manx Telecom, Keynes, Long and Humphrey, Manx Radio, but also particularly by the Manx Heritage Foundation, which is the organisation I work for. After the Cooish in October, I'll be starting a new Saturday morning class in Peel. That'll be for beginners, and it'll also be using the methodology and the structure and the organisation that we've put in place, similar to that in Wales. So if you're interested in learning the language, well, come along to any of the activities throughout that week, but also particularly contact me about the new class for beginners starting in Peel in mid-October. And you can contact me with the details which will follow this for any of the activities happening throughout Manx Language Week, the Cooish. Thank you. Go to Mayu.